You may have created a website, but if you have no idea who your website visitors are, where they are coming from, which pages they are visiting, how long they are staying on your site, and why and when they are leaving your site, you could be wasting a lot of money and effort on targeting the wrong type of audience. For this problem, Google Analytics is a tool that helps you keep track of your user activity. Why do you need Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a completely free analytics provided by Google that helps you measure your website traffic and collect information about your website visitors. That tracks your website and marketing performance so that you can improve it. Google Analytics is a must-have tool to gain insights into how users are interacting with your website. Now we will see how to set up your Google Analytics account step by step. Go to http://www.google.com/analytics/ and create an account. Or if you already have a Gmail account, you can use that. To start using Google Analytics to track your website's data, follow these steps. Click on the Analytics tab and you will be sent to a new page, where you will need to click on the blue Sign Up for Free button. When you click on the blue button, you will be provided with the 3 steps you need to take in order to set up your Google Analytics account. The page you will look like this. Step 1. Add an account name and leave the recommended option ticked. Here you need to enter your new account information for your website in the appropriate boxes. Step 1. Add an account name and leave the recommended option ticked. After you enter the necessary information, you will need to configure your data sharing settings, the options for which will be right below. After this step, simply click on the blue Get Tracking ID button, and the next thing you need to do is agree to the Google Analytics terms and conditions, for which you will get a pop-up window after clicking on the button. Now we will learn how to add tracking code to any website. Choose a property from the drop-down menu and go to Tracking Info greater than Tracking Code. Your tracking code needs to be installed on every page on your website that you want to track in order for Google Analytics to be able to measure and report the activity on your website. The installation of the code depends on the type of website you have and what CMS platform you are using. There are a few different ways to do this depending on the type of website that you have. If you are using a Wix, Weebly, Shopify only paste tracking code number. Now we learn step 3, how to add tracking code to a WordPress website. For instance, if you have a WordPress website, you can use Monster Insights, which is the best Google Analytics plugin for WordPress, and it will enable you to easily install your tracking code on any page that you want. If your website is built with HTML files, you can add your tracking code to the source code of your every website page with the use of an online HTML editor or a text editor program. Now see how to use Google Analytics. Once you have your Google Analytics account up and running, you will start getting a lot of different reports that will help you know which areas of your website need improvement. There are 4 main tabs in your Google Analytics account: Home, Reporting, Customization, and Admin tab. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you want to learn more about Google Analytics or digital marketing, visit www.ideators.tech. Thank you.